up to Whangarei, the Sandy Bay. 2.5, 3 hour drive. Nice waves. So we're doing the lineup. Here's Whangarei, Sandy Bay. What we're cooking? Got some kelpie, barbecue, sausages, marinating. I just made some potato salad last night. Got the grinds. Beautiful day.